So I'm waiting for this to set and then I can do the very top part. And that's the same with all of the holes in the walls, like this one. Wait for the one side to set and then I can continue. Here I managed to do it all, but it's quite deep around the fitting, so I'm going to have to do that again when it's hard. Otherwise it just gets so heavy it starts to sag. But it's looking good. Water's in and we're getting on with patching everything up. So, and running out of materials, so we're going to have to go shopping too. Oh, good morning. It's been one of those weekends where everybody's been laying in bed like coughing and sneezing with your typical winter bug. What can you do? Vitamin D and back on the building site. Just getting in the shopping. More Quarzolith to fill in the walls. And fire's going, which is great because my fingers are frozen. It's cold again, -4. Sun's shining though, so that's all right. And yeah, phew, been one of those days. But I think we've got it under control, which is great, And so we're just gonna be like working slowly now, I think, through February to get things in shape, ready for the plastering. That's the next big step. We talked to the plasterers last week and a potential plasterer, I should say, depending on the quote that they give us, which will be hopefully affordable for a house this size. Yeah, it's not, it's, you know, there's a lot of square meters that come together, so yeah, we'll see. But pretty much we're looking at March when the temperatures outside get a little bit warmer, because inside the walls now, we measured it, we still have in some places 0 and minus degrees, so yeah, we have to wait for it to get a bit warmer. Otherwise there's a danger that the plaster doesn't hold. But we've still got a lot to do. We've got to pull all the electrics through, and yeah, enough. So let's crack on. Pressing my brain out. Look, the electrical cable, like one of the main cables for this floor, goes all the way down to the cellar. We had to open the pipe at one point because it got stuck there. And we couldn't free it, so those are the things you come up against. We don't like the pipes, the black pipes that we put in there for that reason, to be able to pull the cables through easily, but sometimes you get a few that are a little bit, the angles are too tight. So yeah, more pulling cables to come, I guess. Okay, that's pretty much the last one.